I lost the first part of this video. I don't know why the camera shut off, but I'm doing a review that some of y'all asked for me to do on the Pillsbury mini Cinni Stix. I got them in the oven now. You can air fry these too. It has the directions on there. And in the oven, preheat oven 350 degrees. Separate dough into 24 sticks and bake at 11 to 13 minutes until golden brown. And you place them half an inch apart on a greased cookie sheet. I had already greased the cookie sheet and I put them out on the tray, and they came in. I wish I hadn't cut off. I didn't even realize it. But it came, you have to unroll it, and they came in, I think, in like 6 perforated pieces and stacked on each other and then rolled together, and then you just separate them. I already got them laid out on the baking pan, and now I'm going to put it in the oven, and I'm going to check it at 11 minutes in my oven. It just came out of the oven. I had them in there for 11 minutes. And then I'm going to put icing on it. Put this icing on there. I heated it up in the microwave for about 10 seconds. And it's got cinnamon in it. Cinnamon icing. I'm going to try one for you. That's really good. That icing is good too. These are really good. I like them. Thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed, I hope you'll subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Bye.